Hi, I'm Sophie Brown. I won the hook, line and sing-along competition this year. I really hope you've all enjoyed learning my song. Let's sing it together. This stream will also be available on this YouTube channel if you need to replay it later. So during the stream, you'll see me on the left, and on the right, you'll see the chords, lyrics, and sign language. Ready? Let's go. Plant a tree you won't see, no matter your height. Fight for what's right. Listen close, we all need you to care the most. Don't look down, take action now. The world needs your help. Clap your hands if you want to swim in the sea. Clap your hands if you want to save the bees. Clap your hands if you want to breathe clean air for you and me. We all need one another to lean on. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Together, always know that we are one. Clap your hands to the beats of everyone's choose to be plastic free. Sing aloud, the future's ours. Listen close, we all need you to care the most. Stay afloat, there's room for hope. The world needs your help. Clap your hands if you want to swim in the sea. Clap your hands if you want to save the bees. Clap your hands if you want to breathe clean air for you and me. We all need one another to lean on. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Together, always know that we are one. Clap your hands to the beats of everyone's. Clap your hands, 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 clap your hands. We all need one another to lean on. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Together, always know that we are one. Clap your hands, clap your hands. We all need one another to lean on. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Together, always know that we are one. Clap your hands to the beats of everyone's. Thanks for helping us celebrate original New Zealand music. You can check out some of my other music under my artist name on Spotify, Girl. And thanks to the New Zealand Music Commission, Mensa, and Music Works for making this year's hook, line and sing-along competition happen. Keep up your music making, and I might see you at a festival later on in the year. If you're interested in songwriting, then give it a go. You could be the winner of next year's competition. Bye!